Good morning, guys. So, I've been getting a lot of flack from friends and family about not uploading the videos of the new Foresters. And the simple answer to that, yesterday was a complete shit show with these. I have another video explaining that, but I'm just going to focus on this beautiful Forester today. So this one has 88,000, I think, 88 or 89,000 K. It is super clean. It looks like brand new inside, minus the dirt and the dust and the debris. We just did a quick vacuum yesterday and you'll see it's really nice. So let's go through this. I took the engine cover off because when we got this thing, it was not running right. It had no gas in it, so I thought, well, it's probably old gas, which I still think, you know, it needs to run through a few tanks. But it wouldn't run right for the last couple of days and I was getting very, very annoyed with this thing. I said, you know what, I'm gonna swap the MAF. I swapped the MAF from mine and this thing pulls like a freight train. Not really, but you know what I mean. It pulls very well, very healthy, so it needs a new MAF, which is right here. So that's the one that I took off. I'm going to place it in there right now because I just put mine back on the black one, which I will do a video of. But let's go through this thing. So it's bone stock. It is Forester XT Cross Sports. Doesn't really roll off the tongue. Beautiful headlights. They're HIDs from factory. The engine is super clean. It's just dusty because it was sitting in a shipyard. It has oil, not even sweat, but just kind of residue there. Mine has it too, so it must be a common spot to catch oil mist from a PCV system or something. But look, like there's no oil. Usually you'll have oil there. There's no oil there. It's just very, very nice shape. Like I said, this thing has no kilometers on it. I bet you if you clean this engine with some degreaser and some water and soap, it would just look brand new. It barely even has any rock chips on the hood. So let's go inside. Like, look at that. It looks brand freaking new, people. Needs a detail, and that is about it. Like, everything's in really good shape down here. I took the cover off, but the carpet down there looks phenomenal. So pretty normal Forester stuff. Oh, there's a seat belt up there. I didn't even know. So seats are in really good shape. The dash is in really good shape. Everything's in really good shape. It's been running rich, and I can smell the fuel still from the crappy MAF. But yeah, like, it's just really nice. This slides forward. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But everything's in really nice shape. This one's actually going to a friend of mine that I've known for a while, so I want to make sure it's running tip top. Little ashtrays. I haven't even got a chance to lift the seats yet. So you guys are seeing firsthand what they look like without even being cleaned. And look at that. Look how clean this thing is. It does look like it has the infamous Subaru sag on one corner, which isn't really a big deal. It's not sagging that much different. You probably won't even pick it up on video, but this corner is sagging. The STI had the same issues. Has a nice Forester protector on the rear bumper. Really no body damage either, no rust that I can see. Oh. Give me a sec, I'm gonna put my phone down and collapse. Oh, there we go. Never mind, don't have to put the phone down. Look at that. Looks like brand new in here. Perfect vehicle for little money, honestly. Needs a detail, which we're gonna perform now. And get this thing going nice. The roof on my black one is fading up here. These were auction grade 4 cars sold at a private dealer. So this one's the version where it's a little higher and it has the more off-road appeal to it. So This is Forester 1, everybody. 89,000 kilometers, 240 horsepower, I believe. Definitely feels like it. And we already got the goodies here. And mine's already done, the oil change, but we'll get this one done soon as well. And she'll be tip-top. Windshields look like they're in really good shape. They have wiper blade warmers, which is very cool in a Forester. So there's Forester number 1, everybody. I hope this holds you over until I get the video of the crap show getting these things and doing my black one. But as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, peace, everybody.